since Prince Naveen. Hi guys, guess what? We're at the Halloween party! The first Halloween party of the season. Thank you, Mary. I'm so excited.
Bring back the cake.
We are entering to the park, the first Halloween party of the season, guys.
3 minutes! 3 minutes!
Starts at 7, so excited. This is my first Halloween party.
I'm so excited. I'm a bad girl. Bad witches.
Okay guys, look at the decorations. Oh.
I don't see that.
Oh my gosh.
Is it August or is it October?
Oh no. It's spoopy season. Not poopy, spoopy.
So we can get it over.
Love this.
Did you already come through here? Maybe.
Oh my god.
So these are like the treat lines. Yikes. Thank you. So these are the bags that we get. Mine has like Elsa. Ooh, let's get some candy.
I don't even like candy, but I like candy in this moment.
Oh my gosh, look, we love this. Thank you so much. Ah!
You knew? Thank you. Nobody knew?
Only real ones know. It's 7, guys. That means the party has begun.
Shut up. Shut up, shut up, shut up.
Look at all these merch.
Oh, I like this year's glowy. Look, the best, the best.
Ah! That's cute. Where are we going, guys?
Cosmic Rain!
For Halloween in August!
Yeah! Halloween in August! So we're going to the Descendants dance party here at Cosmic Rays. Hey, shout out to Tomorrowland! Danny!
Hi. If you want the restaurant, just go right around the corner.
We love Danny!
A little bit easier. Hello!
Oh, say hello to the vlog! Hi guys, look who I'm here with!
Happy Halloween, August 16th. It's a little early, but we're good.
That's right, that's right.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Ah, thank you so much.
I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna binge watch all your videos.
Oh, thank you, Devin. There we go. So we ditched the Descendants one, so we're going to the monster party.
Oh yeah.
Hey! Hey, come on! Alright, right to the right, to the left, to the left, to the left, to the left, to the left.
My kid!
So guys, we're just chilling in Cosmic Rays right now, but here's some like specialty food and beverages that they have to offer. So they have like a muck cupcake at the Main Street Bakery. They have a Jack and Sally push pops. They have the Constance's for better or for worse wedding cake. I think that's pretty cool though. And then they also have the pumpkin spice milkshake, yummy. And then the headless horseman cheesecake, which I love cheesecake, so I might go try that tonight. Oh look, it's where I did my CP. It's where I met my amazing friends.
Ah, that's us, if you're wondering.
Justin, update us. What are we doing?
Oh, we're getting a drink cup, I think. The little Haunted Mansion ones, they're like hitchhiking ghosts. I'm spitting popcorn. But you put it together, they light up and they sing. So we're trying to see like what they sing. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be like the Haunted Mansion little song, but I think it's gonna be great.
So the first one, let me turn it around. So the first one was right beside, what was it? Westward Ho. It's right across from Pecosville and Frontierland, and all the pieces for these popcorn buckets in the zipper cup is all in Frontierland. So the next one is it here at Goo? So the donut thing is here at Golden Oak Outpost. It's right on the other side of Pecos and right beside of Splash Mountain. To give you guys an idea. So once we get it all together, we will put it and I'll show you guys soon.
Look at that, we got our second little hitchhiking ghost buddy. It doesn't work until we get all 3, but it came with donuts and I'm so excited.
Yeah.
They're like cinnamon glazed donuts, so they're gonna be good.
Yeah.
From here.
So our first one was from Westward Ho, and it's a popcorn bucket. So now we just have to get the sipper cup. just to connect them all so they could sing, which is so exciting.
And light up.
Yeah!
I don't see where the batteries are, so I don't know how this is gonna work. But it's that Disney magic. Tinkerbell comes and like sprinkles some dust on it.
Exactly. So we're gonna go watch the Hocus Pocus show in a little bit and Boo to You. And so, yes, Prince Naveen. Okay, so I'm on teacups now. I'm with some friends. Yeah. So we're gonna see what the special effect is for this ride. It'll start in a little bit, so stay tuned. Yeah!
Is one for both the young and the old. Unlike anything you've ever seen. Get ready, for this is Halloween. Wonderful to have you here, for I, Jack Skellington, have a tale to tell. Yes, Halloween is a night filled with surprises, playful tricks, frightful treats. Why, anything can happen on Halloween, as some friends found out on a night much like this one. Oh, but I'm getting ahead of myself. Oh, Zero! Here, boy! Zero! Where is that dog? There you are, Zero. It's time now to take our friends on a Halloween adventure. One they'll not soon forget. Trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat for Halloween. This house is very helpful indeed. You see, my friends, with a lot of adventure and a bit of fright, Halloween is the greatest of nights! Happy Halloween!
Good evening, friends. Tonight on All Hallows Eve, your world and the magical world collide for but one night. A night filled with a little trick, a little treat, and a bit of hocus pocus.
Why, isn't it obvious? No, we are back in the living world. The living world.
Yes, don't you understand?
No.
We have harnessed the magic found within this kingdom.
To come back for but one night.
One night's all I need.
We shall make it a grand night, Winnie, of spellbinding tricks and treats.
Winnie! A night that will be long remembered. What is it, Mary?
I smell children.
Children!
Little children, I'll take me away into a land of enchantment. Come, little children, the time's come to play here in my garden of magic. Here in my garden of magic.
You!
A tip of the hat from the one and only Dr. Facilier, also known as the Shadow Man. Now I hear y'all are in need of some sinister shadows. Well, you're in luck because, ladies, I can deliver.
And what makes you think we need your help, Shadow Man?
Don't you disrespect me, little lady. Don't you derogate or deride. You're in my world now, not your world. And you gotta be, no matter how she tries. She's ancient, she's ugly. I don't know which is worse. I might just spit a seam now if I don't die laughing first.
Why do you say that? You don't even know.
When Mr. Boogie says there's trouble close at hand, you better pay attention now, 'cause I'm the boogeyman. And if you aren't shaking, there's something very wrong. the last time you hear the movie song. If I'm feeling antsy and there's nothing much to do.
My. Another party to which I wasn't invited.
Magnificent! Oh, great one! If we had known you were coming, well, we would have invited you for sure. We are not worthy!
Maleficent! She's greener than I thought, and those horns, a bold choice.
I've come now, Queen, by power and right. Bring poison apples and give us a fright!
Poison apple!
From the underworld's ungodly domain, we call forth its ruler, death and disdain. Come and inspire with devious plots, a desire for furs all covered in spots.
Not there!
Impress us, O pirate, from a faraway land. Strike fear in our hearts with a hook or a hand. We invite and compel here a slithering snake with a sorcerer's power to give but not take. Enter, good lady, by thee we are graced. Though manners be proper, they are but two-faced.
Don't indeed! I have never seen so many frightful friends in one place! Is this what it feels like to be popular? Yes! I put a spell on you. Oh, my. You can't stop the things I do. I'm live. It's been 300 years. Right down to the day. Now the witch is back. And there's heck to bear. I put a spell on you. And now you're hello, friends. My name's Mildred. What's yours? I was telling you, and now you're gone. So long. I really telling you, and it was strong, so strong, so strong, so strong. Your lives have all cut to the bone which is working. And the words I will settle you, and now you're mine. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. She ain't lying. If you don't believe, you better get in position. Act like it's not. She's vicious. I just said a wicked spell. I just said a time to be mixed in. Party all night. It's the witching hour. I say it's the pie alphabet of the night. I say it's the pie alphabet of the night. I say it's the pie alphabet of the night. I say it's the pie alphabet of the night. It's Mama Glory on my we didn't bring our brooms. We shall walk.
Halloween theme. Beware, the headless horseman is here.
I see you got my invitation.
Hope you're having a good time. It's not so very scary. Wow, you look terrific. It's really not so
So my camera died and I had to film the rest of the parade on my phone, which I think is still great quality. I got most of it on my camera, which I'm really happy about. So we did watch the Hocus Pocus Villain Spectacular, and then we watched the new fireworks show. I don't remember the name of it, forgive me. And then we went to go ride Space Mountain, which was really cool. It's kind of weird though, the lights were kind of still on, and then it was just pitch dark. I'm gonna insert a clip right here. So the Halloween party has come to an end, unfortunately. It was amazing. I highly recommend it. It was so fun. I love the parade, I love the fireworks, and I love the castle show. I'm really taken away by it. I didn't expect a lot of this, but everyone was like, it's really good, and I was like, I don't know, because I've only attended the Christmas party, so I was like, oh, but this was really a step up from the Christmas party. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog as much as I did. This is the only one of many parties I will be attending. Hopefully I'll get to attend more, just to meet rare characters and just to observe things a little bit better, so I'm not very rushed into it as my first party. And so I will see you guys in another vlog. Good night!